Hey everyone, this is Eric with VBAstring.com coming at you with a video about how to have Excel search for a value in your worksheet based on whatever you selected. So it's gonna search based for the results, your contacts in a particular city. So for example, again, you can get the code for this at vbastring.com, and I'm also going to post down there in the description below. So search for a city. If we're looking at, let's say, London, I want to find out, well, how many contacts do we have in London? So 6 records are found based on your selection. And here they are right here. Cal, Hari Kumar, and blah, 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 blah. And then if I click on something else, if I type in Graz, okay, I'm choosing easy ones, and I click search, 1 record is found based on my selection. It's Roland Mendel. So, how do we go about doing this? Okay, did you know that you can query a worksheet, rather than trying to do some complicated formulas? You can have Excel VBA query the worksheet. So I'm pressing alternate F11, and here we have the user form. This is a basic user form, and as you've seen in my other videos, there's a module which just shows the user form. How do we go about doing this? Doing the search. Well, if I click on search, what I'm going to do when I do that event, I'm going to find the contacts. And I'm calling a procedure called find contacts, and the find contact procedure is pretty simple. I'm dimensioning these variables. Again, you can get the code at vbastring.com. First, I'm going to clear out whatever my result box is, the combo box. Clear out the result combo box. And then here's my string that says, okay, I'm making a connection. First of all, I'm setting my connection equal to a new ADODB connection. And if you have Excel on your machine, probably have Excel greater than 2000 now. You can use the ADODB library right off the bat. It's already installed with Office. So, and you probably have it if you're watching this video. You probably want to know about Excel VBA, and so you probably have 99% chance that you have this, and there's some chance you don't, but it's very rare. So provider is this, the Microsoft AC OLEDB. What is the record data source? This workbook, the path of this workbook, the name, and then the Excel driver. And here I can produce a SQL string about this. And I have a lot of videos on where I do access programming, and where I'm showing you the SQL strings and how they're made. If you don't know how to do them, you can go check out those videos. Select all from contacts. Notice I put it's a named range here. Okay, if I click back on the worksheet, I should have a named range here, contacts. If I click on that, if you don't know how to make a name range, okay, you select the cells, click up here, part of, you can't have any spaces, part of range. I can't have any underscores either. Okay, let's see, part of range. And so now I have two name ranges. This is the name box, by the way. Part of range selects that, and contact selects everything. Okay, great. So I'm selecting from my name range where the city, okay, when you have identified the name range, you can identify the fields in that range. City. So city is one of my field names. Where city equals the me.search tags, that's my combo box, my text box here. It's called search tags, txt search tags. Okay. Now, okay, back to this. Where select all from the contacts where the city is the search text, whatever I type in the search text, order by contact name. What is contact name, you might ask? It's right here in column A. Okay, it's my field heading. And then I'm going to set my counter. I'm going to reset it to 0. Automatically it's 0, but I just do that for security purposes. Set RHD equal to the connection not execute, the SQL string. I'm setting my record set equal to something, and then if it's not the end of the record set, then I'm actually going to move first. It knows how to do that. Do until, or I'm looping the record set here. Looping the record set. Do until the RHD end of the record set. Add the items. Add what? Add the first value of the record set. Again, if you go to some of my other videos, I'm gonna show you how to do loop. Well, how to formulate these record sets. I'll go into more detail on that. And then LNG count, I'm incrementing the counter, and then moving next, the next one. And I'm closing the record set. I'm setting it to nothing for security. And this is my garbage collection, quote unquote. And then I'm saying LBL message is a field on my user form. It's right here. LBL message, and I'm setting that equal to whatever my counter was, records based on your selection, and if nothing was found, no data found based on your selection. So that's about all. Hope you enjoyed that. And again, you can get the code at VBAstring.com. Look down there in the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also remember to like the video. Remember to like the video. We'd like to get this video up to 4 likes. So thanks for watching, and until the next video, have a great day. And have a great day again, until I stop.